How can we get figures on the numbers of additional deaths caused by climate change or global warming? Well, the figure wasn't mine, and I think you'll find in Practical Ethics, you'll find a footnote attributing it to the source. So I'm simply saying that this is one estimate. So some of the things are really impossible to account for, I agree. For example, we're all aware of the tragic death toll of the typhoon in the Philippines, but are those deaths that we can attribute to climate change? We really don't know. It's possible that they are. On the climate models that we've had for a number of years now, they suggest that we will have more extreme weather events, that, for example, warming of the oceans will give rise to more hurricanes or typhoons. So that may be true in general, but you can't say of any one event that this would not have happened without climate change. So there's a problem there. But there are some other things that perhaps we can see. If I remember rightly, the New York Times article referred to the fact that malaria is now spreading in parts of the Kenyan highlands where it was unknown previously. So obviously malaria only spreads with a certain kind of mosquito which does not survive cold weather, which is why we don't have malaria in these parts. But if you get less frost and warmer weather, you will get spreading of malarial mosquitoes. So since that does seem to be something that we can relate to climate change, it does seem that those additional deaths can be related. And there may be other cases like that of diseases that are spread. There may be cases of rising sea level. I don't know whether any of those can be attributed with equal definiteness to climate change. But it's difficult to put figures on it, and it really depends in a way how conservative you want to be in whether you attribute certain extreme weather events, the typhoon was one, but obviously there are lots of others, to climate change or not. So another example would be the extremely hot summer in Europe about, was it 5 years ago, 6 years ago, that killed tens of thousands of people in countries like France. Again, you could get such a summer without climate change, but all the models suggest that they're more likely and there'll be more of them with climate change.